my name's Lance Bates and I'm the founder and CEO of NexGen Septics. I'm here today to talk to you about the Presby System and why it's the only solution for your septic needs. Our system costs 30 to 50% less than any other system on the market. We take up a fraction of the space. We have no mechanical or electrical devices needed, and we have no maintenance and ongoing monitoring. This is the system for your needs.
This is a passive system. Once the effluent is pumped from the pump tank into the distribution box, from there it gravity feeds in a serial fashion into the Advanced Enviro-Septic system, and from there the effluent's treated.
Much smaller footprint, no ongoing maintenance, no additives. The life expectancy of the product, and most importantly, is the cost. I don't think any homeowner forecasts between $50,000 and $100,000 for an on-site wastewater treatment system. And in this case, you don't have to.
It looked great to me. I loved the small footprint. And then as far as maintenance, we just call our contractor, the guy who initially introduced us to it, and he just is very simple. You know, it's straightforward. I think he's come out once since we've had it and done a very simple, fast inspection, and it's been great. The biggest thing is that we don't have to worry about it. Yeah, it's very low maintenance, straightforward, easy to understand. It's been great.
I love the fact that the Presby system as a secondary treatment system is beautiful because it sends back into the earth almost 100% pure water.
You have no chemicals or additives that you need to add to the system. You don't need to add bacteria or yeast. You don't have any of the electrical. There's no telephone lines, there's no power lines, nothing that can break. Thus the longevity of the system. If this system is installed properly, it should outlive you and the home itself.
This project is a 3,928 square foot house with 5 bedrooms. One of the things that really was important to the owner is that this beautiful area that he has out here in the back was not completely consumed by a leach field. And that's what led him to come to me and NexGen Septics to talk about a Presby system, a leach field that takes up a rather small area.
Here, this is a 5-bedroom system. It would have taken up, as you can see, we're only 60 feet long and the whole system itself is only actually 7 feet wide. I would have needed somewhere to the tune of 600 to 700 lineal feet of conventional leach field. It would have taken up an acre out of my 2-acre parcel just for the treatment system.
Ask yourself the question, do you want to deal with ongoing maintenance, additives, replacement filters, and additional costs? If not, contact us here at NexGen Septics. We are your solution.